the new Ford EcoSport. We've been lucky enough to get this awesome SUV early, and even luckier to get the top spec ST line model. It's not just a fresh new face. The inside and out have been completely revamped, and there is some seriously impressive technology and styling everywhere you look. It now shares a similar grille to the larger Cougar and Edge, bold and aggressive. With colour-coded door mirrors and roof, there's a range of unique colours to choose from to match your personality. Striking and highly efficient signature day running lights at the front. Under the bonnet we've got the revolutionary 1 litre 3-cylinder EcoBoost petrol engine. With a choice of 125 PS or 140 PS, you'll enjoy all the exhilarating performance you'd expect from a conventional 1.6 engine, but also see better fuel economy and lower CO2 emissions. The new EcoSport is also the first vehicle to have the option of the 1.5 EcoBlue diesel engine, which is highly efficient, quiet and powerful too. Gorgeous ST line styling includes these unique alloy wheels, which adds that finishing touch. From every angle, this compact SUV looks stunning. The load floor in the cargo area has 3 height settings, so you can create a hidden compartment of varying size under the boot floor. When set in its highest position, and with the rear seats folded, you get a completely flat load floor. To avoid accidental damage, the power foldable mirrors fold inwards when you're parked. Tucked back, they also protect the stylish integrated indicators, and they're heated, so you don't have to worry when you're in a rush on a frosty morning. So you've had your first look, let's take it for a drive. A lot of the interior is very similar to the new Fiesta. We've got the same stylish 8-inch touchscreen, home to Sync 3 with emergency assist, the state-of-the-art system that keeps you connected to your phone, music and navigation using voice commands. And it's even easier to use now too.
Please say a command.
I'm hungry.
Please say a line number.
1. Set as destination.
Setting as destination.
Sync 3 connects to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with AppLink. Live traffic can also help you avoid traffic jams. We've got B&O Play in here, which means a 675-watt premium audio system. It's a 10-speaker, woofer and subwoofer inclusive setup that delivers a rich, powerful sound. It's been specifically designed and fine-tuned for the new EcoSport. We've got electronic automatic temperature control and quick clear windscreen, which rapidly melts ice, demists your window and defrosts your wipers. Having driven the EcoSport this week, I can tell you it's been a true pleasure. For such a small and nimble vehicle, the driving position is surprisingly high and your view out of the vehicle is exceptional. You can see every angle clearly and the large mirrors mean that you don't miss a thing. If a car is approaching in your blind spot, the blind spot information system will show a clear orange light in the corresponding door mirror. Ford's all-wheel drive, which is coming to the EcoSport next year, helps to determine how much grip, cornering balance and responsiveness is needed in dry, icy or wet conditions, and on varying terrain. You'll have seen the off-road capabilities in our Ford Edge review last year. Unlike traditional, more bulky SUVs, the EcoSport has a tight turning circle of just 10.6 metres curb to curb. This makes U-turns on busy streets quick and easy, even when there are cars parked on both sides. On a cold day like this, the Comfort Pack is really making the driving comfortable, with heated seats and a heated steering wheel. For convenience, you've also got Hill Start Assist, which will maintain braking pressure for 2.5 seconds while you move your foot from the brake pedal to the accelerator. This reduces rollback on hills and also helps you get started on slippery surfaces. The EcoSport boasts technology to prevent accidents, but also to protect you if you're involved in one. Anti-lock braking system and electronic brake force distribution combine to ensure that your braking is effective. Electronic stability control automatically applies braking pulses to individual wheels, helping to stabilise it when it senses that your vehicle is losing grip. It uses advanced sensors to constantly monitor your car's progress. In addition to the driver and passenger front airbags and the driver knee airbag, Side airbags provide thorax protection and are designed to direct you and even your arm away from intruding vehicles or objects. Curtain airbags and sturdy headrests top things off to give you all-round protection. New EcoSport puts your safety first. The new EcoSport provides you with flexible, cleverly laid out space in one practical and very capable vehicle. It's been a real privilege to share the first look at the Ford EcoSport with you. For more information or to book a test drive, get in touch with us now.